Welcome to Mexico City, the capital city of Mexico. Two interesting facts about Mexico City. 1. The city was originally founded by the Aztecs in 1325 and was originally called Tenochtitlan. And 2. It is located at the bottom of an ancient dried-up lake, which was known as Lake Texcoco. Are you planning to visit Mexico City in the near future? Why not book a free walking tour with a local guide? This is a fantastic way to explore the city on a budget. It's free to book and there are no cancellation fees in case you decide to cancel your booking. You can find a booking link below on the description section of this video. And if you like the content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Pinterest. This will help us grow and produce more content like this. Thank you.